CryptoSavy here. I hope today works out a little bit better. I hooked it up direct with the Ethernet cable, so we'll see. If that doesn't do it, I don't know. Maybe I gotta mess with some settings or whatever. Let me know when you guys can see me in the chat so I know you can see. And let me know if you see any lag or anything too. I would be grateful to hear about that. All good so far? Good to see you, brother. Hope you enjoyed the price action. Yeah, Spa. What's up, Boston? Jacob. Bitcoin broke. Andrea. So anyways, I got a couple price targets up here we'll look at. We are getting rejected right now at the 0.786 Fibonacci zone. But if we can break that, then we're looking at these other highs up here. Let's zoom in a little bit and see. As you guys can see, the retracement from the swing high to the swing low, 0.786 is where we're getting resistance right now. If you guys belong to the Discord, I had put that number in there. 89.84, I said it was 89.85, but looks like the RSI could reset. We could come back down, test this line. And what I'm looking at here, guys, let me thicken this up for you. Just real quick, what I'm looking at. If this is correct and we don't break back down beneath this trend line here, the measured move of that is 93.50 area. And that we could definitely see that. But if we can't break this 786, then we're most likely going to head down for that further correction that we've been talking about. But as of right now, it's actually looking pretty good. Like I said, unless we break this trend line right here, I think we're doing pretty good. Eternal says he's waiting for a dump to 2000. Nice. Xander, what's up, man? Pioka. Coates was hoping to buy a 7800 this weekend. Alice didn't happen. Hi, Savy. You now in a trade? No, I just got off work. Not in a trade. I'm gonna kind of wait this area out, see what happens. Like the music, makes this experience such more cool. LOL, genuinely. I'm glad to hear that, Ted. There's a lot of people that don't like it, but a lot of people said they did like it, so I'll leave it on here for a while, unless enough people bitch. What's up, Julian? How you doing, man? Bitcoin broke with stocks falling. I think it will pump more. Yeah, let me look at the Dow. I didn't look at it. Dow is still down quite a bit today. Let's put it on a daily candle and just see what it looks like. There's a huge gap in there on a daily right here. We have a big gap down here to fill it. No, it filled. Still have gaps down here. But anyways, yeah, Dow's took a nice little dump today. It was about 400 points, somewhere in that range. Not sure. I don't keep a close eye on it. Really don't care about the Dow personally. Music is nice. You can turn it up a bit if you want. I had it up a little bit louder yesterday. Let me see. I'll turn it up just a hair. See if that's all right. I just figured it would kind of take up some of the blank noise. Reg Parent, thanks. Do not forget to hit the like button. What's up, Sherry Mitchell? How are ya? Yeah, don't forget to hit the likes, guys. If you are new here, this is live stream. This isn't the norm. The norm is, well, it's been the norm lately, but my normal thing is every morning I do a live update, or not a live update, sorry. Like I said, just got off work, a little flim flam here. I do a daily update every morning and show you what my view of the market is. My opinion, not yours. But yeah, if you want updates every morning, make sure you subscribe to the channel, tick the notification bell to get you notified when I post videos. Joseph Silman, hey up, dude. What do you make of all this guppy stuff in the BTC charts? Cheers. I don't pay attention to the indicators like that. I mean, some people do. It is, you know, to each their own. I don't. No, Spa, we had to put her to sleep. Now we got to go rescue another dog, so our current dog has a friend. So she was 17 though. She led a good life. McConkiable just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, man. Justo Salinas Long from 8775. Nice. Yeah, like I said, just watch here. Make sure this trend line here holds. If that holds, we could be hitting up to at least that 90.85, and I'll show you what that is. If you can see here in the RSI, we have more room, you know, to continue up. We could come all the way back down and test this, I suppose, which would probably be somewhere in the 88.50 range. But the measured move of this falling wedge here, let me zoom. This falling wedge here in white, the measured move of that from the breakout is where I get that 90-80 range. Actually, that's a little high. I don't know. See something real quick. I think I might have had this line a little wrong. Maybe. I don't know. Somewhere in that area, but it's actually around 9,050. Right in that area is the measured move off of the breakout of this falling wedge. And then we have this broadening wedge, which, if that's the case, 93.50 is what I'm looking at for there. Sad to hear, Savy. Good to hear that she had a good life. Yeah, she was 17, so her body just gave up on her. Thanks for asking, though. I really appreciate it. Cherry Mitchell, wish we lived closer. My neighbor has a 9-week-old German Shepherd puppy in need of a home. It's a rescue too. Damn. Yeah, that's what we like to do. The dog that we just put down, that was my wife's since she was a puppy, but and my dog that I raised from a puppy, she was 11 and she passed away about 3 years ago. So we rescue dogs, so we always keep 2 at a time. Plenty of dogs out there need home rather than, you know, pay for the crazy breeders and all that crap. We fell out of that diagonal on BitMEX. Coins are making little coins. Thanks, just had a good feeling. Those dogs rescued you, right? Right. That's right, fat boy pup. I love dogs, man. But anyways, back to Bitcoin. Let's see what's going on here. Whoops. Let me jump into the 15-minute chart and take a look at this, get a little bit closer to the action. See what happens here. See if we end up dumping down. We actually could come all the way back down to the 8,800 area and still be safe here. Look at Litecoin real quick. Litecoin broke through its golden retracement zone, actually getting support on the 0.65 now. 0.786 for Litecoin is 60.55. So that's the area to watch there if we don't break that back down. This was the target I had up from this morning, 58.35. That was the 0.618. Obviously, we broke above that and tested it for support. Something else I wanted to talk about. What up, Callan? How the hell are you? Something else I wanted to talk about real quick was Bitcoin Ben, man. I like that guy, but he just made a short little thing on Twitter kind of making fun of analysis. That's what happens when people don't understand trading. Most of the time when they make fun of it, they tried it before and got wrecked to hell and just didn't bother to learn, so they don't understand how technical analysis works. And Ben, if you watch this, don't make me bust out your old videos where you were screaming $1,500 Bit or LITECOIN in within a month or so in 2017. So just so you know, man, learn about stuff before you try to make fun of it. And watch a trader, check his account, see if it works. Anyways, enough my little rant there. Just pisses me off when people talk shit and don't understand what they're talking about. So anyways, Bitcoin broke, he's a hodler. Yeah, so am I. I'm a hodler, but I trade to make more. I mean, what the hell? Like I said, I like the guy, but don't bash shit you don't understand, dude. Yeah, I know he likes me. I like him too, but I don't like when people bash shit that they don't get. It's like Chico Crypto. He's another one. That dude couldn't trade to save his life. He probably got the shit wrecked out of him. Not only by that, but by buying all the shit coins he buys. And then he talks shit about people and about traders and exchanges and shit when, you know, he bitches about Bybit exchange and he pumps that Gate.io or whatever the hell. It's not even registered or licensed. Bybit is registered and licensed, and he's pushing one that just sells the shit coins that he sits there and pushes all the time. So anyways, all right, I'm done. Trading is fun if you do it responsibly and you understand money management. I mean, shit. Which other crypto YouTubers do you rate highly or lowly? I won't get into that. Most of the people in here know. You'll probably hear it if you stick around, subscribe to the channel. I'll have my little bitch fests about them. But I mean, if they're not saying nothing, I leave them alone. But if they start their little bash things, then I call them out on their shit. I mean, period. Revision, Savvy Info, Doom and Gloom Media, and feeling crypto was going to make a move up. Dan T, I know you like your altcoins, man. To each their own. You know, this is my channel. I state my opinion. Sustainable pumps, Savvy. I don't know. I still believe there's a correction coming. Before, you know, a huge move. Like I've been pointing out. Let me go over into the 4 hour. If we do continue up here, I think it's wave 5, and then I think we're gonna have a wave 2 correction. We'll see what happens. But that's what I'm thinking. This is 1, 2, 3. We may be done with 4 and going up from here, or 4 comes all the way back down to that 80-70 area and then goes from there. Ronnie, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for the support, dude. Hi, Savvy. I struggle sometimes with motivation. What kept you going when you had setbacks? I guess just pure determination, man, and learning from my mistakes. And I still make mistakes. Like I said, I'm not a full-time trader. I started doing a little bit more day trading here and there, but I'm more of a swing trader. I like swing trades. I like long plays, low leverage. That's my thing. And basically you just keep at it, man, and learn money management. Learn how to keep your losses to a minimal. And you know, there's so much to learn, but I mean, if you're dedicated and you stick with it, it's not as difficult as people say. And so many people lose all their money and then just quit, you know, but they jump in. And a lot of people, like I have the member program now, and it's not a call group. We don't tell you when to sell, when to buy. We share our analysis, and now we just started yesterday like a Zoom group. So we'll be doing a Zoom group once or twice a week where we all can get on, share our charts and ideas, and as a community, you know, learn together and help each other out. So yeah, I think it's gonna work out great. We had a great one yesterday just for a test run, and it worked out pretty well. So Bitcoin Broke said, Savvy is by far my favorite TA. Every new person watching should subscribe. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. Any chance this is breaking 20K before the halving? I don't think it would break 20K before the halving, but it is Bitcoin, man. Crypto Dave said just hodl. I mean, hodl and dollar cost average. That's the, you know, that's the safest bet. What's up, Jago? James Cooper. Thanks, man. The real Quizzer. CryptoSavy, I was watching your videos and I remember saying you were only going to stick around till the end of the last year or the last bull run. Say it ain't so. I'm sticking around till this bull run's over. New YouTube? I don't understand what that means, but okay. Can we smash the likes for Savy, who is doing this for us? Yeah, guys, please don't forget to smash the likes. All right, so in the 15-minute, we got a little bounce off the 21 EMA, but like I said, let's see if this trend line holds. Finding your info very informative and right on the money. Thanks, Ronnie. I appreciate it, man. You know, nobody's right all the time, but I share what I'm seeing, my thoughts, and if it helps you guys out to see how I do it and kind of, you know, my own little method. Like I said, I used to trade with LTC. I switched to just using my own things, mixing. Like, I still bust out LTC every once in a while. It's a nice tool to have in your toolbox, but I don't depend on it by any means. If there was a method I would depend on the most, that would be the Wyckoff method, and that's because it actually explains what's going on in the market, and you learn it that way. So that would be my suggestion where to start if anyone wants to start looking into stuff like that. What's up, Cindy Hardy? How you doing? Jacob Michaels, dig the music. Thanks, man. Yeah, I got some complaints on the music, but I got more people saying they liked it, so sorry, I'm gonna have to keep it up there. I did a little poll the other day too, and I just wanted to say, I had it. Do you want to see more news or want to see this, that? You know, I asked a couple different things in there, changes you want to see the channel, and there was way more people that voted no changes, so I'll probably keep it the way it is for the most part. Might add a little something here and there, but trying to make it better for your guys' viewing. So if you have any suggestions, I am open to suggestions. What's up, Treese? We're going to 10,000. But I don't even know how to say that. Nikamoto, what's up? Doing great. Glad to hear, Cindy. I love the music. Love the music. Thanks, D Silva. So yeah, Bitcoin got boring there for a while, and then and we all know what happens when Bitcoin gets boring. It surprises everybody a little bit. What do I consider a strong daily close? Let's go into the daily. A strong daily close would be a close above 89.15. That would be a strong daily close for me. Still got some room on the daily to come up here on the RSI. And on the 4-hour RSI, we got room to come up and touch the bottom of this broadening wedge here. Do you think it'll reach 10K by the end of this month? If it does, that will be bullish as hell. Like I've been talking about in the beginning on the monthly, if we close above this 9,200 here, that's going to be pretty damn bullish, guys. That's actually breaking the real resistance on the top. I know even I've drawn the falling wedge here, but I don't believe that's what it is. The break here, we would have seen more volume confirming the breakout. So this is what I'm looking at here. Hold on one second, guys. Oh yeah. Can I call you back? I love you. Sorry guys, that was my wife. She's in Florida. She was doing her little check-in call. But anyway, yeah, a close above 92 would be pretty damn bullish for the end of the month, for the monthly candle. So Let's get back over to here. Like I said, watching to see if this trend line holds. It's not the end of the world if it doesn't, but if it does hold, it would be going to the 1 hour. Yeah, so here we are. Like I said, we did get some pretty heavy resistance here at the 0.786 on the Coinbase chart, which was 89.85. So depending on what chart you're watching, the numbers aren't all the same. Always good to check on your wifey. Thanks, man. Rich, we got a smart aleck in here. Trolls, man. Ain't got nothing better to do, huh, buddy? I feel sorry for you. Anyways, someone loves to call every stream, right? My phone's pretty busy for the most part, usually with work. So anyways, back to seeing if this line holds. We definitely are testing it here. If it breaks, we could come all the way back down and test the 8,700, I guess. Would be this last line of old resistance. You like basketball? Very sad to hear about Kobe. Yeah, man, that is sad. That's horrible. Don't like to hear that about anybody, whether you like basketball or not. But yeah, that's horrible. And that his daughter was there too, along with the other people, man. It's sad. Don't forget the CME gap at 85.60. Yeah, like I said, eventually I'm still going to expect a correction. Even if we was go all the way up to the 10,000. I mean, I'm still expecting a pullback before a bigger move, a real big move up. I'm happy with ETC and Link. Tezos, though, yeah, man, if you're trading that stuff, great. If you believe in it, I'd be leery. I would not invest in that stuff. Trade it is one thing. Investing in it is a totally different story. Savvy, check out the 200 MA daily. Jago, I don't use the simple moving averages, but I can pull one up, I guess. Let's pull up a 20. The hell? Oh shit, it's putting them up there. I gotta delete them all now. I was wondering why it wasn't showing. I will go ahead and put one up there. I know everybody's watching that, but like I said, I'm not big into the MAs. I'm more into the EMAs, but I will definitely throw it up here and check it out. Did say the 200, right? Yeah. And let's make it white. And let's thicken it up a little bit. All right, there it is. And that's where we're getting resistance as of right now. The 200 moving average. We go back over to that 1 hour. What's up, Victor? How you doing, man? Andrea, you think that Tron is using what happened to Kobe? I don't know. I haven't heard anything about that. Savvy, how high you think we'll go? 91.88. Well, I had just put this up. Obviously, if we break that old high, we'll continue up. We could go as high as that 95 or 93.50 is the measured move of this rising broadening wedge breakout here. So that's definitely a possibility. If this becomes, there's still, guys, if we do break right now, obviously right now is what we have to worry about breaking to go any higher is this 84 or 89.85 area, which is the 0.786. We could just get rejection here and come back down. And if you guys remember, I've been watching this forever. 80.73. Let's say we stopped here and started coming back down. Whoops. Let me put the fib extension on here, and we'll do the 1-to-1 extension and see where that goes to. So then the correction would be down to, if we were to reverse here and come back down and this was a ABC, we'd be looking around the 8,020 range for an ABC correction. We'll see what happens though. I am gonna move that off of here. But yeah, we could get an extended fifth and go much higher than that. I mean, it's definitely possible. We had been talking about that 10,000, I think it's 10,400 mark. I have it on the 4 hour, but yeah, if we looked at this as take a Fibonacci extension from the wave, start of wave 2 or the end of wave 2 to wave 3 up here, and this being 4, if we were to continue from here, that 9 right around here would be 0.618, 0.65 for the extension at 9,700. Yeah, like I said, we could go super high. I mean, if it was a extended fifth wave, so yeah, we could come up to, you know, 10,500. I do have that trend line across there, resistance from right here, and we had talked about it a few times. I don't know if you can see it in this. Let me use it in this chart. But yeah, I've talked about it a few times before. Let me go to the 4 hour. But yeah, the possibility, if, and guys, this is just pure just a pure guess right now, pretty much. Just saying what we could possibly be looking at is a inverse head and shoulders. Obviously, it's just pure speculation now, but if we were to get up and retest these highs up here around 10.4, 10.5, and then we could see a retracement all the way back down into these areas. But like I said, that's just pure speculation. We'll see how it goes. That is not a prediction. And that's why I do daily updates, so we can keep up with what's going on and try to keep in tune with the market. What do you think about the correction of 3% in the stock market? I don't know. I don't think the feds are gonna let it fall yet. I'm pretty sure they're just gonna print a bunch more money and keep pumping it in. Just my guess. Looks like a big M forming on a 30-minute, probably coming to 88.37. It's possible 88.37 would be coming back into this golden pocket zone. But you said an M on the 15-minute? Possibly. But if you look here, I mean, that's a nice W. I'll keep it on the 15-minute here, so we can kind of keep an eye on this. And just watch to see if that trend line breaks. Let's go up and break a few levels tonight. What's up, Crypto Crazy? Andre P, what's up, Savy? Late to the party. Is your Elliott Wave 4 playing out? That's what we were just talking about. You know, that could have been the end of 4, unless we break this 786 right here, which is around 89.86. We break above that, then I have these other highs up here. That could have been the end of 4. But if we cannot break back above this may be, let me go back over here because I put it in this chart. Yeah, so the 1-to-1 extension, then, if this was an ABC correction, if we cannot break this 88, 86 level, put a ABC correction, it could still be a B, and then C, the one-to-one extension would be around the 8,020 range, which would also retest the top of this falling channel here. So we'll see what happens. Off of here. Renee said not a real move yet, Savvy. Yeah, we haven't seen a real move yet. Can I explain the W pattern? A W pattern is just usually a reversal pattern. A lot of people use that in Forex, is where I mainly see them using it. Basically using naked charts, they call it. On a W, they'll long, and then on an M. Let's see if I can find a decent M here. But yeah, like up here, see a M pattern. They just call for the local tops and bottoms. Like right here, you see the M. But a lot of, like I said, I see it mostly in Forex. They'll play naked charts where they just look for M's, W's, triangles, and that's all they play. And apparently it works pretty well in Forex because I see a lot of people doing it. Crypto, I don't know so much, but I don't know if it works as well, but I suppose the W magic is the secret sauce. Looks like we're forming the handle of a cup and handle formation. You're talking about this whole big thing here. If we go back to the 4 hour, yeah, but I don't like that I mean, it could be, but I don't like that the cup isn't even right here. I mean, you could use this high here, but technically if it was a cup and a handle, I would like to see it way up here like this. That would be the cup, and then the handle maybe come down around here. But I could be wrong. I mean, I guess you could use this high, and that is, but I don't like it. But that's just me. And there's other people, you know, I don't ever knock other people's TA, other than I don't like Elliott Wave, but I don't knock on their TA. When people knock on other people's TA is just because they don't do it the way they do it, cracks me up, because there's so many ways you can watch someone doing TA in one way and get the same targets as somebody else using a totally different method. So that's another thing I see a lot of, people knocking each other's TA, and it's like, dude, if it works, what the hell? I mean, there's way more than one way to do TA. There's way more than one way to trade. You got people that trade small time frames, medium time frames, big time frames. Yeah, they're just people to say people don't know what they're doing or whatever is ridiculous. Jorg, smash the likes. Yeah, guys, smash the likes. If you're in here and you haven't already, make sure you hit the like button. And subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We do daily updates here every single morning. I wake up before work, do a quick update on what I'm seeing in the market. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see that. We try to keep up on the market. Saycon Last just subscribed. Welcome to the channel, man. PA, if it works, nobody would do YouTube. What do you mean, Crypto? You mean if it didn't work, nobody would do YouTube? Jago, Savvy, are we in the 5th wave? No, that's not confirmed unless we break the 91, what is it, 91.90, somewhere in there. We got to break the old high to confirm that. Unless you called it a truncated 5, which that is one of the reasons I don't like Elliott Wave, just because anything that happens, there's a new name for it, or it can explain every move. So yeah, every trader has a different style. If you're new, remember and learn the way that suits you. Yeah, everybody's technique's different, everybody's situation's different, you know, with their funds, their risk is different. There's not a cookie cutter analysis in trade way. It's just not there. That's why people selling the groups or selling the courses, I don't believe in that shit. I think it's a ripoff. Like I said, there's no cookie cutter program to it. Not this, the way this guy trades isn't gonna work for the way this guy trades. I'm not saying two people can't trade alike, but there's many different ways, many different situations. You got day traders that sit and stare at the charts all freaking day in crypto all day and night. And then you got people that don't want to do that all the time. Golden Cross on the daily soon. The music reminds me of a naughty movie I watched once. That's funny, homie. All YouTubers TAs don't trade, they just add liquidity for traders. I trade, so you're saying all YouTubers? That's kind of judgy there, buddy. Anyway, Dirksy, what's up? Smash likes, peeps. What's a tip to a beginner? Practice on a test net. You know, and get all the info you can. Watch all the... There's nothing wrong with watching a bunch of different YouTubers, getting different ideas. Even the guys that are asses and suck still might have something that you can use. And just develop your own. Develop your own, man. What's up, G4L? You think we could have a double top? Absolutely, we could have a double top. Sounds like an elevator and we're set to moon. Nice. Nathan, respect Savy that you do all this for free. Thank you for your time. Thanks for your support, Nathan. I appreciate it. I think each and every one of you, thank you guys for tuning in. Even the haters. Come in and hate. And obviously, if somebody hates somebody that much, they wouldn't be coming in to talk shit. So there's other mental or psychological reasons they do that. I feel sorry for them, so I love you, haters. Your bottom chart looks like baseline, perfect setup for a blast. You talking about the RSI here? No, I think the RSI looks like it's got one more push up to test the bottom of this wedge here, and I probably should move that over so you guys can see it. But it looks like it got one more push up that might be to that 90-30 level if we can break that 0.786. We have to break that first. Otherwise, you know, we can continue down. Xander, you're welcome. Thank you. Back to test 9K. Looks like it's a definite possibility we might be heading back up there. What is it? 6 o'clock. We got another hour left in this 4 hour. We'll see what happens. Bad is going to do well this year, I think. Yeah, it might. Like I said, I don't really care for any altcoins, but BAT is actually doing something and it's working and it's already working. So, you know, I don't hate on it. Is it going to be $1 million crypto? Probably not, but could be a fake out, but let it play out. Cindy Hardy, you're my favorite. You make it easier to understand. Thanks, Cindy. That's what I've tried to do, is just make it easy. Miners and whales gonna dump the price hard after the halving. You think so, huh? CCS said, yeah, I love to hate Crypto Kirby. More news on Bido. I have not heard anything on Bido. Nothing. Actually, I went into the Telegram and the Telegram actually is gone. The Bido Telegram. So it's not looking good. I think he quit making videos. Who quit making videos? 1 or 10 predictions don't help. Crypto Visionary, are you miserable, man? Do you need a hug? Somebody give the man a hug. Only true money is at the day job. Oh, he does need a hug. I think I know who this is. That's what I mean. People like that. He's got some mental issues or something. Don't hate on what was his name? Crypto Visionary. Don't hate on him. He probably really has some very serious mental issues to actually jump into someone's stream and just start talking smack. So, you know, you got to feel for them people. They need help, man. Seems we are getting a bounce on the 15-minute diagonal. I'll go back to the 15-minute. Let's We got to bounce off that trend line that I was talking about. Savvy, can you point out the bearish divergence? Yeah, I'll look in there. Well, you can't really do that one off the last high. I guess you could say, you know, this is possible bearish divergence here, where we have these are even highs and we have a lower high over here. This is a 4-hour. Let's look at the daily though. And in the daily, if the daily closes, you can't judge it yet, but if the daily was to close this high right here where we're getting rejection at 200 EMA, or I'm sorry, not EMA, 200 MA. I'm gonna take that off there. I hate it, but anyways, we are getting lower highs on the RSI, which could be hidden bullish or hidden bearish divergence, but until the daily closes, you can't really judge on that. So we could shoot up still. Who knows? You got to feel for Eric Crown's TA. You gotta. Yeah, he's a day trader though. He's just too all over the place with all kinds of crap, and he talks too fast, and it's just too much, man. That's why he's a day trader. He spends too much time in his own head, I think, man. But he seems like a good guy. I mean, really. But yeah, he's just 100 miles an hour. He banned you for mentioning God? Nice. That's crazy. What's up, Timmy J? One Lambos. And his hair. ETC doesn't look topped out in my opinion. I missed what he said, damn it. Nope, but you poking the bear, dude. Express is good, but keep it real. Nope, but you poking the bear, dude. What? Oh, I got you. Uggs, I'm dying. Dodger Brew, Benjamin Crown, and Surfer. G4L. What EMAs do you use and why? I use, they're based off Fibonacci. I use the 8, the 13. Here, I'll zoom in and show you. I use the 8, which is the red one here, the 13, the 21, and the 55, and the 200 EMA. And if you guys check into my playlist, if you go on my page, I have a video on EMAs that tells you when they cross, it's super bullish. You know, that's a buy signal. And then you won't catch the absolute top and bottom using it that way, but you'll be 90% of the time you will always have gains. And then you don't sell until they all cross back over. And you got to wait till once they all cross. And actually, you don't have to use the 200 EMA, just the 8, 13, 21, and 55. And when the 8, the 13, and the 21 cross the 55, and after they have all crossed and a candle opens and closes, that's the buy spot. And then if it open and closes above, if you're doing above, it's opposite going down after they cross, the candle opens and closes there. Eric is okay, but not good as people thinks. Yeah, he was like, yeah, he's been off quite a bit. Everybody has. Nobody's gonna be right all the time, though, guys. That's, I mean, it's not a 100% you can win all the time either. Trading is based on, it's not on being right all the time. It's about getting setups. Low risk, high reward setups. So you risk very little for a possible gain of a nice chunk. Troll session on tonight, right? Yeah, there is some haters in here. They just need love, though, man. They just need love. Make sure you give them a hug. Having a thought-out opinion and being honest isn't trolling. If you can't handle it, don't stream. See, like that right there. It is trolling. You're talking shit. That's called trolling. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. You're a troll, dude. It's the same dude. It's probably Iron or Tin Man. Your videos are great, Savvy. Keep up the good work. Thanks, man. Rich is bored. He's bored, lonely. I mean, if you're gonna be an ass, why don't you? I don't know. I just don't understand people that can sit in a stream and just be a total idiot. Like, they really have issues, man. Like, serious issues. These people need help. They want attention or something. Adam78 priced for Crypto Revolution. Chris for Crypto Revolution. Yeah, I don't know. I've never watched him. Timeout, then they get the boot. Why y'all haters so mad? Haters song from Third Coast Finest featuring Lil Flip and TC. Play that song, Savvy, classic. I wish I could if I wouldn't get a copyright, but I don't know if you guys are hip to Tom McDonald. He's got an awesome one about haters. It's called Buttholes. Check it out. It's an awesome song. Tom McDonald. I love that guy. He has some great messages in his music. If you guys haven't heard of him, you can't judge him by his appearance, man. The guy is awesome. He tells it how it is, man. He's a kick-ass musician. Haters always by the top, right? I hate hip-hop. That is a badass song, man. Dago, I wish you all the best with the channel, but I have to say that I enjoyed more smallish channels like this one. There's more interaction. I have to say that I enjoy more. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Peter's in the green. Right on, man. So what's up? Is this gonna hold, or are we gonna break down here? Savvy, do you have a video showing how to use the EMAs to trade like you were mentioning? I do, and actually, Crypto Bull News, I have a video in there. It says how to use EMAs or something. It's if you just go in my YouTube, it should be on it should be in there under what the hell is it called? A playlist. I have a playlist called tutorials or something, I think it is. Check in there. There's also in our group, someone in there created a indicator using that to show you when and it worked best on 1 hour and daily. George, I'm doing good, thanks, man. Adam said sideways for a bit now. Possibly. The RSI definitely seems to be resetting here, though, on the 15-minute. It could be resetting for another push up here, guys. I do think we look like we might at least get another shot at this 9,000. See what happens. Crypto Ted, I'm a troll. F you, joking. Nice work though, mate. Thanks, man. Stojin, Crypto Bull News. You can check out the EMA candle close strategy indicator. Yep. If we break down, 8,500 looks very strong now. Yeah, this, if we was to draw a trend line across there, that would be the 8,500. So yeah. Yeah, and that may be, you know, where we retrace after. I don't know. We'll have to see. Like I said, I believe it's a good possibility we get another push up. But either way, if this wasn't four finished already, I think we're, you know, we could still come down to that 80-70 rate. Actually, it's not 80-70 anymore. if we are not able to break this 0.786, let me put it on this chart too. 1-to-1 extension would be around the 8,000, right around the $8,000 range on this chart. So yep. So yeah, if we can't break back up past here, which I think we have a good chance of doing that, so never sell the first tip, never buy the first dip. Savvy to use fractals, just curious. I've played with fractals. I think I have better luck with them in the smaller time frames. I have played with some that played out, but I don't depend on them, obviously. But if you see a fractal and then everything's lining up and your measurements line up, trend lines and stuff are matching up, you know, I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, it looks like we might be turning for another push up here. See if the EMAs can turn around on us, but it does look possible that we're gonna. I don't know why this line's in here. Let me get it out of the 15-minute. Out of there. There we go. But yeah, it definitely looks like the RSI is resetting here, guys. Make it a little push up, push down. We could actually come down and retest the 55 on the 15-minute, which could be around the 88.20 area. Thanks for the stream savvy. Night night all. Take it easy, Adam. Thanks for stopping in, man. 200 daily MA is support now. 9K seems to be our resistance. 200 MA is not support. 200 EMA. Whoops, excuse me, guys. We're above all the EMAs on the daily. That's bullish. I mean long term, not day trader bullish. Randall McMurphy says buy Bitcoin. If you guys are new here, definitely subscribe to the channel. I do daily updates every single morning. This is live stream. This is a little different. This is mostly just to hang out with you guys and kind of watch, see what's going on. And yeah, make sure you smash the likes too. 87 gonna be good support. Timmy J, if we go up, I see 92 to 9,500 on the horizon. What do you see? Yeah, I had just talked about that earlier. Let's go back into the 1 hour on this chart. If we can break this 0.786, which is at the 89.86, 89.85, somewhere in that range. My next target would be the 90.50. Target after that is 93.50, and that would be if we could break that 9,200. And like I said, we could have an extended fifth wave. You know, we could be seeing 97 all the way up to 10.5. Definitely possible. A lot of people will laugh at that, but I've seen crazier things. Litecoin has boxing gloves on and rocking it. Yeah, Litecoin is teetering right in that golden pocket zone right now. It definitely still has room to move up though. Has room to move all the way up and test up in this area on the RSI. So yeah, we could still get a nice push out of Litecoin. We're going to 13, bros. I hope so, Treese. That'd be nice. Sean McGovern, hey Savvy, my wife is requesting you say a pattern is a pattern. A pattern is a pattern. 10.5, very possible, says Crypto Crazy. It is, and that's what I was. We go back into that 4 hour. Just for fun. That if we were able to get up to that 10.5, that's where I think we could be seeing a inverse head and shoulders. It's definitely a possibility, guys. Definitely a possibility. Like I said, pure speculation, but who knows? As it forms, we'll watch it and see if it really does form. That's why I do daily updates. Try to keep in tune with what's going on. Peter Rayett says incoming pump. Tales of the crypto. Evening Savvy, appreciate you keeping us updated much. Thanks, man. I appreciate your support. Dirksy, Savy's wife's clothing is rockstar material and quality. People check it out. So comfortable and very strongly made. Great quality. Thanks, Dirksy. If you guys want to check out my wife's webpage, it's down below, inkyourimage.com. Check it out. All the affiliate links down there are ways to help support the channel, guys. There's affiliate links down there. Check them out. If you don't have your cryptos off the exchanges and need a hard wallet, I have a Ledger link down there for the Ledger wallet. I also have tons of stuff down there. If you want to start trading, practicing leverage trading, there is Bybit down there and Prime XBT. Both of them give you a sign-on bonus. Once you make a deposit, you get a bonus. And yeah, check it out by using my links. And if you guys have already signed up using someone else's, you can get a new email because neither one of those take KYC. You can start a new email and start another account and get another bonus. Just a hint. Once we hit new all-time highs, I'm quitting my job. Nice, Dan. Jago, your wife also trade crypto? No, she does not. She works at a hospital, and then she has her printing business. What does the second charts look like? I've never seen under 1 minute. You want to see the second chart? 1 second. Here we go. Got to really zoom for this, guys. This is if you get really bored and Bitcoin isn't moving. Put it on the second chart. All right, we're on the second chart. We'll watch this for a minute. Hopefully no one tunes in and thinks it's like the hour chart and this thing does like a $2 move and it'll look like a $1,000 move. One second chart is for crack traders. Anyway, fun to see. Which one of those wallets is better for someone buying their first one? I use them both. Ledger's pretty simple, but yeah, it's a personal preference, man. Check them out, read up on them, see what seems better, see what happens on that second. Crazy. George Gadwick, good vibes today, Savvy. Love it. Thanks, man. There's usually good vibes when Bitcoin has a move up. That's how people get. And people get real agitated when prices go down. 1 minute moonshot. What's up, Paul Bear? Glad to see you here, brother. Yeah, the second chart's pretty silly. There we go. There's a nice move. I'm gonna get out of this though. This drives me nuts. I guess I'll zoom out a little bit so you guys can see it. The people tuning in right now will be like, what the hell is that? I never saw the 1 second chart. That's scary. I've been using Coinbase for my wallet. I don't trade, just accumulate. What are your thoughts? I still believe it's best to have your crypto off any exchange and in your own possession. Then you don't have to worry about it. I mean, you gotta just protect your keys. Remember, if it's not your keys, not your crypto, say Coinbase, and I know they're insured, but say Coinbase went bankrupt or something happened, say it happened today, and it took 2 years before they paid everyone back. They don't pay you the crypto back, they pay you the money. So if you lost 1 Bitcoin, it's $8,800, and it went through court and all that, and it took you 2 years to get your money, and at that time Bitcoin's $80,000. So I don't know, you know, that's what I think about. Spot said, I see some gangster tattoos on your arm. Nah, I was no gangster, man. I did some crazy shit in my time, though. Mama Bear looking sharp, Savvy, thank you. Crypto Crazy says, get a ledger. D&T said, I recommend getting several different wallets. Yeah, I have a few. I have a few Titans and a few ledgers. Trezor, I guess, is good. I've never used it, so... And all the links I have down below, guys, are things I actually use, not just, you know, whatever. They're things I actually use and am into. And I will be doing a live stream. I don't know if it's going to be this week, maybe this weekend, maybe the beginning of next week, but I'm going to have the people from I Trust Capital in to answer you guys' questions. There's a link to that down below if you want to check it out too. You get a 3 months, or the first month's free if you use my link. It's setting up like a crypto IRA, but you can trade gold, silver, crypto in it with, and your trades aren't taxable events, but it's like a retirement fund, so you can't take it out till I think you're 59 and a half, without getting taxed. But anyway, check it out. I am definitely checking it out. Look at that 1 second chart banging up. I'm gonna get out of the 1 second chart, guys, just so people don't freak out if they come in here. Don't forget, guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, definitely subscribe to the channel if you want daily updates every single morning. And smash the likes. And you also get to hang out with us on live streams as long as you tick the notification bell. It'll notify you when they come up. Do you bother with any other chart, i.e. Renko, etc.? No. Nope. Peter said, Ledger Nano S. Any wallets anonymous? What do you mean anonymous? Like, if you think about it, depending on where you buy your crypto is how you would keep it anonymous. Anytime you send, like, say you got crypto on Coinbase, you send it to a wallet, they know what wallet it's in, and it's on a blockchain, so they can see every time it moves to where it moves. So yeah, there's lots. It's pseudo anonymous, people. It's not anonymous. Short it, Sam. Wrecked. Woohoo. Squeezing it. Yep, looks like we might get a little push up. We did get some support on that line we've been talking about. But like I said, don't forget, we have to break this 89.86, which is at 0.786. That's why we got resistance there. Crypto Sam said, I've been shorting since 13.5. Tazongo, Web Design, one word, Monero. Thanks, Savvy. Have a great night. Take it easy, Sherry. Thanks for tuning in. Much appreciated. I think I'm going to get out of here too, guys. What time is it? Yeah, I think I'm going to get out of here. I got to give the dog some exercise, play with the dog, give my wife a call back, see how she's doing. And I appreciate you guys stopping in. Double top into hell, maybe. Even if we had a double top, it's not to hell. Like I said, I still truly believe the bottom's in. So have a great night. Thanks for stopping in. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Smash those likes on your way out. Don't forget, on the daily updates in the morning, leave your comments down below the video. That will get you entered to win a free t-shirt. I do the free t-shirt drawing on Sunday. Also, check out the affiliate links down below. They help the channel out, and all of them benefit you in one way or another. So thanks a lot, guys, and I am out of here. I may hang out in the Discord a little bit later, so take it easy, guys. Have a great night. Thanks again for stopping in. You guys